Recording in progress.
Amigo, acabo de them. Chat box mong rồi chuan zona in ei chuan mo anten an in ho nge in zo du chuan raise hands option raise hands anga chuan in mic kala wan mute anga in mic ka mute anga dikhan anten an omi hi atong du ta ni allow to talk kam he tanga dikhan itong theo ask to unmute dikhan I unmute anga itong theo okay question number 16 ganun nga first question lo share lo karo question ka chuan problem in ei chuan whatsapp min zo the bak midang hi tinge join an tum lo mi ừ 16 kan tan anga kan ngak lo me question number 16 kan share question number 16 chuan screen problem in nei chuan mo chat box amin thun ro ka phone hi camera ka mang de sia kan thei don lo pa problem om chuan min thil don nia okay kan tan to don le question number 16 kan share the balance sheet like a thing here Pause. Okay. Question number 16. The balance sheet of A, B, and C, who are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 6 respectively, was as follows on the 30th June 2014. And ratio here, yeah, A, B, let's see, and ratio is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. Hey, you can see, ratio will be what? 3 is to 2 is to 1. 3 is to 2 is to 1. Tro. Chuan chat box amo reaction in pedon nyaw in thetiam ka tikhan reaction thumbs up in peanga in thetiam lo chuan thumbs down no ka repeat le ang tikhan. Okay. Le the ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Oh. Bills payable, creditors, capital account, profit and loss account. Hey, profit balance khania tro hey partner sagan se mangayanga between A, B, and C. Tro. Then next, cash in hand, cash at bank, bills receivable, debtors, stock, furniture, plant and machinery, buildings. A retires from business from 1st July 2014. 1st July 2014 a retire nga, and his share in the firm is to be ascertained on the revaluation of assets as follows. Oh, apoy sa pektur hi kan la shela watro adjustment kan siam phatanga chon apoy sa pektur kha kan su tanga don ni. Okay. Next, let's see. Stock 1,30,000. This is the new value of the stock. Stock value 30 and 1,30,000. Old value is 1,44,950. Then furniture, plant and machinery, buildings, and a provision for doubtful debts is to be created. The goodwill of the firm is agreed to be valued at 39,000. This is the value of the goodwill. A is to be paid 71,825 in cash. Cash in kan pengha lang on retirement. Oh, and the balance in 3 equal yearly installments with interest at the rate 5% per annum. Helahi point haranita. Mo, kan titurcho journal entries kan pass ang Oh, very easy question. We will understand. Revaluation journal entries kan pass pa tango. Revaluation entries kan pass ang then partners capital account entries kan pass ang. Okay? Then loan entries kan pass ang. Question number 16 solution. Entry number 1 2 yang stock new value is 1,30,000 tro. Value is 1,30,000. All value hi ang taula all balance sheet 1,44,950 anya. 1,44,950 atang insangan ito 1,30,000 anito nitro. Kan stock value 14,915 atlat niya matro. 14,915 atlat niya mga business taningen yang losan niya matro. Losan ito we will debit revaluation account to stock. Loss song hi entry katakan dapat kang entry sampain siam lawin loss song ka entry katakan dato pang. Okay, so stock is 14950. Le hi YouTube ka upload don boka hela hi ka explain lo kang revaluation account ka debit na chan hi intra turchu revise le lo kang hela hi revaluation account is a nominal account kantia temporary account ani hi nominal om chu temporary account. Le accountancy ka class chon rules pathum che kan follow don ni assets rules, liabilities rule le nominal account rule. Okay, assets rule hi kan soi phatang. Assets will have debit balance in assets will always have debit balance chu kan asset value I increase apung chuan plus po kan dang we will debit the asset account. Kan asset value apun chuan debit the asset account. Kan asset value at him chuan credit the asset account. Into tuanga hi. Pero rule of assets account niya. Next, rule of liability account. Liabilities will always have credit balance. Ju kan liability value apun chuan credit the liability account. Kan liability value an him chuan debit the liability account. Hey, in effect to nga. Next nominal account rule chu inge. Nominal account rule is what? Rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses or losses. Credit all incomes or gains. Oh, tikhan hai rule niya. In dujon in copy theo for the students who will watch later on. Le. In dujon in copy theo tikhan. Okay. Le. Revaluation account is a nominal account kan teatro. John stock is a asset. Asset value at lang chuan kan credit anga nga aniam a rule kan mangani stock account kan credit anga then kan asset at lang chuan business ta ni nge loss ani tro hi po hi lo chin chelo pro kan asset value apun chuan business tan gain ani anga chuan kan asset value an hiam chuan business tan loss ani ang okay asset value assets to valuable things owned by the business ania tro a value apun chuan gain ania a value at lang hiam chuan loss next liability kana now liability value at apun chuan ingen yang business tan loss ania nga chuan a liability value an hiam chuan business tan gain ania hey hi lo chin chia lo la hey in thetiam chuan revaluation account chuan something in kan siam thei to okay assets value apun chuan gain an hiam chuan loss tro chuan assets rule kan follow nga entries kan pass ang le stock value at lan hiam tro stock value at lan hiam chuan business tan loss ania nga loss chu revaluation account na revaluation account na kan transfer anga then stock value at lan hiam tro 14,915 stock account kan credit ang tro hela hi chu interest rate ko nga next furniture rupees 19,500 furniture value thar hi 19,500 ania all value is 22750 22750 atang exam nito 19,500 anito ni 3250 in atla hiya matro again we will credit furniture account a rule so whenever the value of asset reduces credit the asset account tro next plant and machinery 58,500 hito intellect hito nga tro 58,500 plant and machinery is the whole value 63375 63375 atang 58,500 anito atro atlan hiya mani ang zatin 4875 again can credit ang tro plant and machinery because it's an asset the rule of asset is anyam chon credit tro apun chon debit okay next building 1,30,000 old value change 1,56 anya new value is 1,30 26,000 atlan hiya matro can credit liang to building next 5525 are to be provided for doubtful debts. Doubtful debts inge kan tika future akan loss tur kanya tro future loss ani ai are provided for doubtful debts. So what will we do? We will credit this tro to provision for bad and doubtful debts. Jangan 5525 tikhan total chu jangan transaction dangom to lawa evaluation na on close to 54,600 hey entry TMM thumbs up please so nine nation insert the insert TMP kang ada roh itu reaction low react ule thumbs up emo thumbs down repeat leng I am lai nghe xong Wala ko setting C and this.
Sarkat is swollen it.
Mo?
I got this swollen it.
Okay. Okay. So in trong zo vel le mo in mai khai in mute khala ngo. Helai in thatem pekem. Thatem vek turanga ngo. Entry kan pass rengo tatro revaluation account kan CM lo ni. Oh, for the first viewers and explain le lokila. Revaluation account kan CM thina tro. Revaluation account is a nominal account kan tia rule chuinge. Debit all expenses or losses, credit all incomes or gains. Oh, kan asset value an hiam chon loss ne tro business tan khoi kan dang debit side da. Kan question a hian stock value at lan hiam tro kan debit anga. Chon furniture value at lan hiam plant and machinery to building to provision kan siam ani. Kala hian rawo. Revaluation account kan debit em. Yes. So what's the journal entry? Revaluation account debited hai. Revaluation account kan debited tro. Then we credit all the assets. Anyam. Assets and provisions will have, sorry, assets will have debit balance. At lang him chon kan credit ang nga. Tro. Chon provision thar kan nita. Provisions will always have credit balance. So hey hish. In chethiam ngai. Le, in chethiam tura ka ngai hechu. Oh, revaluation at chon problem in nila bang. Tro. Next to nga. Revaluation entry som to law ni tro. Revaluation account kan close to. Okay. So, debit chia niya tro revaluation loss side at amount ma. So we have a loss. Tro loss of how much? 54600. Hey and debit side is 54600. Debit is for all expenses or losses. Credit side ing mam lo tro entry second entry kan ing ma second entry at ing mam lo ta. So there is nothing in the credit side. Tro. So what is this? This is a loss. Hey kan loss vek tina ni 54,600. Loss ni chon khoi kan transfer ang partners, all partners capital account. Tro. Loss yan an account balance at niam ngi ati pung ti kanina nga loss ni chon debit side of partners capital account na kan dachi na tro. So the partners capital balance will reduce at niam do ni loss ni chon. Profit ni chon kung nga loss ni chon at niam do ni chon tro. So what we have to do is who are the partners A, B, and C is capital account. Nakina offline class kanti le thawang in sethiam lo chon mo ma se in test don sia week monthly test in nei box sia chu miss lo sham ke dua vena darlia mundanga ti tur kan e mo important point mo lu tukta chu class kala thiba ka school in chol bok nen mo tikhan ti ila in sethiam lo chon next class kan explain chale don nia okay 27,000 in log pui mai thea tro. So let's have patience and consider. Oh, loss to 54,600. Hey, consem dan to all ratio in consem. Oh, 3 is to 2 is to 1 in. Partners capital account and niya mga tro. Unbalance kan an account kan debit day ni. Tro. Partners capital account is a liability account tro. Account na punchuan kan credit nga anhiam chuan kan debit ang. Tro loss ani chuan partners capital account anhiam do na ni. So we have debited A, B, and C's capital account. So now, ma'am, insert yung vector hecho. Next ka na lang. Next, profit and loss kan transfer ang profit and loss account hi kan close to don tina. Tro profit and loss account hi kan close to don na. Account na balance om 29250 hi partner sa kan sem to don ni. Tro. So let's see the entries. The entry will be profit and loss account debited to A, to B, to C. As 29250. Hey, all ratio in all item in each one, all ratio in consumer 146259750487 being profit and loss credited to A, B, and C's capital account. zona name helai hi reaction karo thumbs up ro thumbs up emo thumbs down conversation am lawa mo online je ikan good sanga in thende po in du chon in classmates te po link in share the oh an du chon an join the helai hi chu kan thiam vek ta revaluation le partners capital accounting chu problem kan nei lawa tro problem kan nei tur chu loan account sia mangai sia interest nen kami lai kha problem in nei atro helai chu kan explain class ar boy tam kan explain to oh in du chon link kami link kha in share anga an lu the ngal okay le next now existing goodwill om empty kana nga existing goodwill om lawa tro le helai thing hi chu kan ti to tro next item is for goodwill le goodwill kana now the goodwill of the firm is agreed to be valued at 39,000 goodwill of the firm matetro firm goodwill ania hi le let's calculate goodwill goodwill of the firm is how much 39,000 39,000 John tunge retire a retire ang atro a share is 3 by 6 so A's share of goodwill 39,000 into 3 by 6 so 19,500 hey a share of goodwill ani atro consider to who will pay B le C or only B may pay only C may compensate or pay atro in which ratio gaining ratio in chat to retirement goodwill is always distributed in the gaining ratio true always in the gaining ratio a new ratio kan name a new ratio means true okay the old ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 1 a retire nga true a retire nga so the new ratio will be 2 is to 1 oh between B and C eng ma min thil lo chon tikhan kan la to pang a b le c hi an old ratio ania a retire nga true B le C share to 2 is to 1 gaining ratio in zon mo it will be 2 is to 1 anyhow oh mase exam fel faide when working note akan si akang okay so gaining ratio inga formula new ratio minus old ratio true b's gain so new ratio is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 6 3 2 2 to the 4 minus 2 2 2 by 6 c's gain will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 so 2 minus 1 so 1 by 6 oh gaining ratio is 2 is to 1 hey ay nang reng don ma se hey kanti shem ang exam mo tikan kan ziak fel faide min kan ziak thapang okay chuan b hian a will get how much chuan mo class akan tika who will get goodwill amount the sacrificing partner tunga sacrificing partner a how much 19,500 who will get the sacrificing partner who is the sacrificing partner a tro ezang kan pe ang 19,500 who will give ape tu chu gaining partner to tro share gain tu chu tunga b le c aniam le let's see b share for a b share for a b kan pek tu chu ezang 19,500 and yatro 19,500 di 2 is to 1 in kansemang oh between B and C into 2 by 3 C share for A to 19,500 into 1 by 3 6500 13,000 entertainment hai go copy ro into chun entertainment goodwill hi ta explain lang lu tuka in se thiam tura ka ngai o hela hi chu exam class a bai tam tak kan explain to tro problem ina nei chu sei ro kan sei fial yang nge mi dang te hi reaction aba om lo ve good le next omi entertainment omi reaction ka ngak good le entry kan pa sang o hela hi kan traffic to ngatro who will get a om ja chu a account kan credit anga ngatro who will give b and c b le c account na tang b account na tang 13,000 kan la chhuak anga c account tang 6,500 kan la chhuak anga chuan a account na kan transfer ang tro kan la chhuak ani chuan an account kan ti kan debit anga ngatro kan la chhuak ani chuan b le c account kan debit anga B's capital account na chang enjang 13,000 C's capital account na chang 6,500 kan la chwa ka an account kan ti claim to ni tro an account balance a claim to a chan is capital account na kan transfer ang 6 how much 19,500 19,500 being as goodwill debited to B and C's capital account being as goodwill debited to B and C's capital account. Le, hello, I think problem ma'am. Nito lang tulang ngai oh, le. Tikan revaluation le partners capital information sugan zawatro. Le, hello hi kana now. Pass journal entries and give the account of A till it is finally closed. And give the account of A till it is finally closed. Oh, hello hi kana now. A is to be paid 71,825 in cash on retirement. True. And the balance in three equal yearly installments with interest at the rate 5% per annum. Kan siya turchu nga. Kanin lepot turchu apo isa pek tur hi nga. Amount payable hi kan la siya lawan ito. Let's say rupees XYZ titayla. Apo isa kan pek tur ka. Kan siya chutro partners capital account partner ten poisa an thohi liability ania business tantro achan chu an retire huna an thi huna or business atop huna kan peklet nge nge ngai kan tika tro so ezang kan peklet tang ti kan la shela batro ente kan chethe capital account atang kan chethe ya capital account cmin kan chethe ya or journal entry tang po kan chethe thau okay so we will prepare a proper capital account and we will find it out he kan zon phatangai ni tro ezang kan pek tur kan tianga kanena chuan hemi atang 71825 hi cash in an peng hala nga tro chuan a balance chu loan account na kan transfer ang tro class apo kan solve to tro hatiang question te hi a amount pay tur atang a then cash in a pe a then loan account an transfer tro hela hi kan explain ya ko hela hi explain main ezang e pek tur kan zong phatang a poisa pek tur kha kan zong phatang he chu corrupt mai don chuan a capital account kan siam ang is entry pakhat Canada entry okay is capital account question and boy ngai to tro Capital account is a liability account. Liability hand credit balance na itatro. Credit side akan daang balance. Balance BD chu, ang 2,60,000 ani. 2,60,000. Hilahi debit credit draw. Kan account balance, partners capital account balance apun chuan, credit side akan daanga, anhiam chuan, debit side ta. Question and boy ngai tolo. Journal entry atang kananang. Oh, le. First entry a ente, first entry a partner hingom lo tro. First entry a partner hingom lo ba. Second entry hi endo. S capital account kan debit tro. B le si chu en ngai tolo achan chu. A capital account A poisa pek tur sia kan zong don ni chu. Tro B le si chu kan ignore the. A account hen deu A account hi kan debit tro 27300 debit side kan zia kang 27300 hi nge revaluation account loss khania loss hian an account balance ati hniam do na tro hey debit side kan zia next profit and loss account profit hi kan transfer atro screen a problem in chon soi ro ba tang thina chang changin le A account na hey A account kan credit em yes profit kan share profit share hi kan transfer atro 14625 14625 hi is credit side akan dangai 14625 by profit and loss account next inge goodwill tur hi kan transfer ang hey hey is capital account kan credit atro by B's capital account by C's capital account 13,000 6,500 highlight lang hi problem ma'am any problem up to this point problem in name highlight lang hi
So profit kimo all ratio na mission.
hindi mo iti
Profit and loss kami rival kita balance sheet kami all ratio na mission.
yes old balance sheet old item and ichon old ratio in consumption old
Yes,
item and ichon always with the in the old profit sharing ratio oh antrong le sinte sa hello
um,
isa di ma'am
oh, so
kung audio or audio settings volume hi ani amtlat le daw copy ro highlight lang hi Now, see a clear M, 100% clear M. Hmm. Yeah. and next. Oh. Next so tikan partners capital information pro kan jawa tro adjustment lai te ka kan jawa next kan ti tur chinge hemi loan account siam lo ta ila mo interest rate om lo ta se simple question ni ta se ente kan tiang amount payable ente kan chu tang hela hi kan adve kan tro 2 lakh 60 plus 14625 plus 13,000 plus 6500 minus 27300 kan paisa pek tur hi nimina class kan la to tho mo he hi da me ka tuma ma se amount payable to he 266825 ania mo tharte mo tunge kha tharte or rot felin 1,95,000 antia hela hi ka buai re lu tuka adik thelo sam sam ka tia ka ka se ka mu da ti off ka mo ka record lo tikhan a fresh in voina class ka le amount payable hin jange 266825 hela hi entertainment thumbs up teo chodan hi partner e chok do na tro a paisa kan pek tur hian zange 266825 entertainment allow to talk ka da pe kang se wa tikal in mai ginan mute ya in tong hal the hela hi entertainment pe game hela hi hela chang hi a chok dan hi ai okay omi kanen lewa hela hi partners capital account kan siam do ni question in thil me lo mo capital account siam turin min thil lo ma se kan siam na chan hi nge working note in siam ang hi ho tikhan interest lo chon interest lo in tiang min lo explain sakle yes for sure Đây. Working note ta cái công phân phát lâu ni chia hi mo working note ta kan siam ngo question in capital account siam turin min ti lo shim shim in du chon journal entry atang point siam the no problem opening balance in la nga enjang ya opening balance so hey capital account 2 lakh 60 and etro all balance sheet in nga a capital account na balance chu 2 lakh 60 inge in plus ang account na credit side kan da song song kha kan chet chu partner capital account kan siam thina tro debit side le credit side to umta account balance a pun chuan account kan credit thina tro chuan an hiam chuan kan debit thina ni aniam tikhan mo jan entry atang po amount chu in la chok the shortcut exam a time in nei lo chuan e hming in zong e hming om lo tro tayan om em yes e account kan debit account kan debit tro om je chu account kan ti claim ani engzatin 27300 in tro he kan minus ang he kan minus anga then again ro e om le tro account kan credit em yes debit le credit om ta credit chu apun chuan kan credit thina tro debit chu a hniam chuan ania he account kan credit a account hi 14625 in apun tinania 14625 in belang in plus ang next and row 19,500 account kan credit tro hipo hi kan belang 19,500 ti kan all sum de win 266825 in zong theni jan entry atong into them or in du chuan partners capital account in siam thei bok time in nei chuan partners capital account fel fai de win in siam anga ni lo chuan jan entry thu pon in ti the kan explain thaliang opening balance sheet a chuan en jang 2 lakh 60 ania tro 2 lakh 60 in langa calculator in ti theng hal hi chu chuan e hming in zong e hming om lo tro hi chu kan ignore the next yes e account kan debit om je chu hi kan minus angai chuan e account kan credit le tro ta han hi kan belangai chuan e account kan credit le a hi kan bel le angai ti khan en jang kan huang 266825 hi a paisa kan pe business in e paisa pek tur chu 266825 ania entertainment omi se them tem le chuan hi ente kan pe chhuak ang the information in pe ni main point a kan lut tong and ro A is to be paid 71,825 in cash 71,825 in 71825 hi cash in kan pe chuak don ani hi hun nia kan thenang first chu cash in kan pe chuak ma ezanga 71825 tro 71825 71825 yes 71825 hi cash in kan pe chuak ma chan inde kan tikha cash in kan pe chuak tro 266825 atang 71825 hi cash in kan pe chuak to a balance chu yes loan account na kan transfer ang tro hi kan la pe chuak lo ma se future a kan pek ni ngai liability ania tro inde kan zonang hi 266825 266825 atang hi kan minus chuan enjang a balance 1,95,000 hi loan account na kan transfer to chu nia ente dia me melai in man thiam em chuan mo tuna po min lo expense akle itiatro khatia azia kan lo win repeat ti me donya sa repeat ti me donya chon ka repeat hale me okay hela hi in thiam vekem loan chhodan hi tham tap teu interaction ai on lo chon kan boyang le sangan thiama omi pon thiama rotfel nang good good tinga rebecca inaw rin dikin lo me now alut me now amo de ya in mutui lu to kan yo chance hatte wani school in chola tro in zir thathenyo utilize ro time hi ni ruk che ni to ha ni ruk che effective 6 days che 6 days po ni to la wa 4 days ba ka ni to la ma effective mumei me su 2 lakh tu na boina po class ka dismiss thei mo ro sur school chola nia darlia class sota poi mo to class ni ta cnn collaboration kan nei ta chartered accountant pakhat om ta chu voina class introduction class ka pe ka ngai wanga online in class miss lo dan tram ka ngai to ni mo duila chon kano phang ka ti top thei ma se ka ti thawa ma se hei chance ka mo tro in school in chola online in kan la thei thau ka tia thetiam em chance kha miss du su in la thetiam lo me lo makina in la chir don mo you make 100% use of your time mu me hi hostel apo an mu me atuna ka kai tho le kha zero ka tia bai chak le next kan move ang partners capital account kan close ang ante account kan close to do na to cash za 71825 tahan hi copy su chon to is loan account chu 1,95,000 tikhan account kan close thei to tahan fill to pakhat kan nei fill fia to pakhat om tikhan account kan close thei helai himo en ro cash kan phang atro question in cash to be paid cash at atro ma se balance sheet hian chin teu cash in hand a poisa en sai kan nei 975 to ni atro pe ka ngai chu 71825 cash a poisa ka dei kan dei lo shem cash account a poisa om lo tro a dei lo shem 975 chia kan nei a pek tur chu 71825 tro bank hian teu bank a poisa kan nei atro 1,65,750 kan nei a bank account kan hmanga tahan kan hrim khu hle okay bank account kan hmanga tahan chu bank question in cash ti pon poi chon lo bank account kan hmanga cash a poi sam lo chon negative balance dei dona adik don lo ni bank kan hmang de ang helai hi inthiam em hi account kan close to dona partners capital account kan close to dikhan bank account hei achok ve le paisa kan pe a hei loan account na kan transfer helai hi inthiam em helai thing problem le next kan ti tu chu interest value ma lo ta se balance sheet kan siam ha tro ma se in this question we have to prepare, we have to pay this amount he kan pay kan ai to ni oh we have to show until it is fully paid. Then entry kala miss out ta hen tro entry number 5 kan pass out helai hi hemi kan sem hi hemi treatment kan ti hi entry kan pass ai oh so what will be the entry is capital account debited to bank to is loan account bank atang 825 at loan account na 195 can transfer 266825. Hey, entry diya ma'am. Jona ma'am. Entry hi kapasi. Entry number 5 hi entry diya ma'am. So mo phone hi tikan portrait mode in da suwa. Landscape in enzo ka wa. Screen ali enzo ka. Le. Tikan loan account. Partners capital account so kan sa batro. Lehen ro helai hi oh. A is to be paid 71825 in cash on retirement. Helai thing in sukan tito tro. And the balance swing eh. Alone account na paisa kan transfer ka. 195. 266825 atang 71825 hi cashing gan pichwa ka a balance 195 hi loan account na kan transfer atro helai min thrilan ni chu hei pek dan min thrilan ni chu oh and the balance in 3 om je chu 3 om je chu pathum tro equal om je chu ai nang be in oh 3 equal yearly installments with interest at the rate 5% per annum hela hinia kan problem ber tur chu tro and the balance in and the balance om je chu hey 1,95,000 loan account na kan transfer hi oh to be paid and they can share ro hey ignore ro oh they can share ro a is to be paid the balance they can share ro a is to be paid the balance in 3 equal yearly installments with interest at the rate 5% per annum kan sa tiam oh hela hi oh le kumthuma loan account na paisa kan transfer khain jange 1,95,000 tro hi 3 years a kan rule to don tinani chu 3 years sa kan pe chok to don tinani chu in equal yearly installment kasta na installment chapter in zero tro metsa installment om chu how much we have to pay every year or every month EMI te kan chiang tro loan in bike kan la china motor te kan la china inge EMI in nge phone kan la china motor te kan la china tro bike te scooty te kan la china nian so installment 13 mo kumti installment kan pe kan ai china tro installment om ja chu in chianga aniam expense out tuk la ko equal installment equal yearly installment adia 3 equal yearly installment chu en jang en yang 1,95,000 hi 3 in divide taw la en jang en yang 65,000 each om ja chu 65,000 hi first year 65,000 kan pe nga second year 65,000 kan pe nga third year po 65,000 kan pe bokang tikhan 1,95,000 kan rules ko kang into them every year 65,000 kan pe kang tikhan at the end of 3 year 1 year 2 year 3 year kumthum zawachon pek tureng ma am to la bang into them helai thing into them interest kala soila oh helai thing into them thumbs up ro he helai hi poi mo ni oh thumbs up teo lal rin dikhi hi rin dikhi oh rin dik thâu đồ mò đây thế là sang in sẽ điểm em explain nó ngay em repeat ngay em hắn soi tiêu 65,000 chua dan hi Rebecca sẽ điểm em vẫn responsive là nên ừ ok ừ. Đây note pakhat ziak raw note interest on loan will always be calculated on the opening balance. Hey, hey, concept book as if interest on loan will always be calculated on the opening balance. Interest on loan will always be calculated on the opening balance. Interest on loan will always be calculated on the opening balance. Calculation of working note pakhat kan siam leo. Calculation of interest on capital. Hey, to school line tilabang. You can working note in CM level school achon. Oh, masih self idea in working note kan CM ang exam ako. Oh, calculation of interest. Oh, capital ka tidak. Interest on is loan. 1,95,000 hi kan pe ka ngai khania tro. 71,825 ka chu thing hil to ro. Kan pe chok to cash in. A balance kan pe ka ngai chu hi hinia. A loan account na paisa kan transfer chu hi hinia tro. Question ingem inti enteu. Ingem intril. And the balance in 3 yearly equal installments. Throw I think you can explain to with interest at the rate 5% per annum. Interest po kan pay ka nga ni chu. 1,95,000 ayan. Interest at the rate 5% kan pay ka nga. Oh, interest at the rate 5% kan pay ka nga. Interest at the rate rupees at the rate 5%. Oh, bank loan kan la china tro. Very simple example. Oh, bank loan kan la china. Anyem bank can loan min pe atro interest tel mi alowin loan min pe lawang interest kan pek nge nga yang tro lang ni po in siang inu le pa te pon an siang he chu tro it's not a new thing, it's very common thing. Bank loan kan lak chon interest kan pek nge ngai thin tro om ja chen ro business in e poisa hi kum thum ma mangani tro 1 year 2 year 3 year tahan e a chok ta tahan e a chok ta tro penghal turania ina taka chon apo isa pek tur ka kan penghal turania mase business in 1,95,000 ia pe chok hal lo tro kumthuma business in a rule chawang hi entertainment omja jo kumthuma poisa partner poisa he kumthum business in a mangani entertainment so the business has to pay interest to the partner entertainment interest angai na chan kha 1,95,000 business partner chuakta tro hemi point ta chuakta poisa pengal turania mase business in pengal lo tro a poisa 1,95,000 hi avai na pe chuak lo 1,95,000 hi kumthum business in mangani entertainment omde chu interest kan chu tangai chin okay interest kan chu tangai chin so now let's see entiang kan tiang 1,95,000 9 5% kan la top chona diklaw this will be this is not the interest amount. Dikana dikma launi. Oh, mase we will see how will we solve this. Oh, someday we can tell. Statement can see among oh calculation of interest on is loan. Dikan statement kan see among year kumthuma kan rule nga atro. Year kan tianga. Hey copy ro 1 1 2 3 Chuan opening balance chu zang 1,95,000 he ni atro kan pe ka ngai loan account na balance kan nei chu 1,95,000 oh chuan next kan ti tu chu installment per annum kum khata installment kan pek tu chu zang 65,000 question in three la tro 3 equal annual installment he hi 3 in divide taula 65,000 ya oh kumtin 65,000 kan pe chhuak anga a principal amount chu tikhan kan rule chhuak ang tro chuan principal amount chia pek lovin interest kan pek ngai boka tro interest kan pek ngai boka interest kan calculate ang interest at the rate 5%. Chuan atopa closing balance helai hi space daro helai hi space la daro le ei mo is loan balance okay le endo 1,95 ania tro poisa pek tur ka first year 65,000 kan pe chuak to interest chu kan la soi labong first year 65,000 kan pe chuak to tro so first year closing balance is kan ne 1,95 minus 65 to 1,30 aniam tikan thatiam ro timeline in 1 2 year 3 year hi opening ania poisa kan pek ngai chu 1,95 tro first year 65,000 kan rule to chuan enjang balance kan la ne yang first year 65,000 kan rule to chuan enjang balance kan la ne yang 1,30 aniam kum to pa hi closing balance ani chuan next year opening balance aniam aniang tro so 1,30,000 ania balance then next second year 65,000 kan pe chuak le to enjang balance kan la ne yang 1,30,000 minus 65,000 kan pe chuak chuan balance chu 65,000 ani le nga tro closing balance then again 65,000 kan pe chuak chuan atopa zero balance aniang tro so every year tin 65,000 kan pe chuak tro first year 1,95,000 atang 65 kan pe chuak to chuan 1,30,000 balance kan ne nga hey closing balance ani chuan next year opening balance ani ang yes 1,30,000 tro chuan 1,30,000 atang 65,000 kan pe chuak le anga enjang balance kan ne ang 65,000 balance kan ne ang chuan hey closing balance ani chuan opening balance po 65,000 ani anga tro tikhan atopa pek tur engma kan nei to lawang inthatiam tikhan 1,95,000 kan rule chuak to interest kala soi lawa helai tlai hi inthatiam thumbs up teu helai tlai hi repeat angai chuan repeat ti ziak ro chuan in tong du chuan in tong the reng audio in mong the inthatiam rek inthatiam tak tak tro le interest kan chut to every year enjang kumtin enjang interest kan pek ngai kan na hey no thi poimo interest will always be calculated on the opening balance le and timeline fel faide win kan siam thatang phải thiểm nào đấy tại hiện rằng date H1 to 1st July 2014 1/04 2014 tro kau na paisa pek tur kan nei chu 1,95,000 ania tro chuan in ro first 7 2014 chhuak tro the year will end on 36 2014 khasom panhi kan na ngai ni chu July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. True. April, May, June. 30th June will be 12 months. True. Let's say the year will start at this point and it will end here. Tahan first year to end nga, second year tahan anya nga, third year tahan. So this will be again end of second year 2014 John third year into 36 2016 le kan chat mo first 7 2014 na trang en taula business in partner paisa en mang 1,95,000 aniam 1,95,000 ania tro partner paisa mang chu 1,95,000 ania kumtin 65,000 kan pechuak to nga aniam a balance a paisa pek tu kha kumtin a claim to nga tro en rawo atira trang 1,95,000 an manga tro first year a paisa en mang partner paisa en mang 1,95,000 an manga tro first year a chuan partner paisa an mang chu en 1,95,000 a full in an mang eng man pechuak lo tro atopa kum topa an pechuak chaw ni 65,000 oh omze chu 1,95,000 a hian first year tur interest en kan chu tang first year tur interest kan en tro 1,95,000 into 5% chu en 9750 9750 dia oh le entu 1,95,000 atang 65,000 pechuak to chuan en balance kan ni ang 1,30,000 aniam 1,95,000 minus 65,000 chu 1,30,000 balance kan ni ang tro first year kum to pa balance kan ni chu 1,30,000 ania tro ani chuan second year up business ten paisa en mang partner paisa 1,30,000 chen ni tuem 1,95,000 atang 65,000 chuan pechuak to tro balance paisa an nei chu 1,30,000 inthetiem helai hi 1,30,000 hi ne second year a paisa an mang partner paisa an mang chu inthetiem so second year a interest kan chu tur chu 1,30,000 ani ang second year a interest kan calculate tur chu 1,30,000 ani ang 6,500 oh chuan ro second year a 65,000 kan pechuak le tro 1,30,000 atang 65,000 kan pechuak to chuan en balance kan la nei business in 65,000 balance la nei tro partner paisa hey hi ne third year a paisa an mang mo third year interest chu 65,000 a kan chut to inthetiem hela hi 3250 inthetiem hela hi inthetiem tak tak mo repeat le nga em hey no thi poi mo interest will always be interest on loan will always be calculated on the opening balance or in the chu outstanding balance hey hi poi mo opening balance or outstanding balance om je chu business in partner paisa en an mang kan nang loan chut nan inthetiem helai kan soi thale lo ka inthetiem lo thina helai kan explain thale lo ka 1,95,000 kan pek tur kum thuma tro kan pek tur 3 years akan pek chok tur ania 1 2 3 hemi point atang kan nanga partner paisa business in mang chu loan account na paisa chu 1,95,000 ania tro first year 30th 6 2014 interest kan pek nga interest kan pek nga okay interest will always be calculated at the end of the year le chon 13 kumtin paisa kan pek tu chu 65,000 ania interest tel lowin 65,000 dikan kumtin kan rulanga tro le 1,95,000 65,000 hi kum to pa kan rul tu kum to pa interest kan chut bokaw le 1,95,000 hi atira tang ahmanga kum top chang tro 1 year 1,95,000 ahmanga tro 1,95,000 interest kan chutang okay chuan kum to pa 65,000 pe chok to nga 1,95,000 atang 65,000 an pe chok to chuan balance en zangan ma 1,30,000 kum to pa first year enda balance chu 1,30,000 ane tro hey hi second year a 1 lakh 30 पैसा mang chu nia chuan kum to pa 65,000 rule chuak le chuan en zang kan ne sorry second year interest kan chu tur hi 1 lakh 30,000 ania nga tro chuan second year to pa 65,000 rule chuak nga balance om chu en zang ania 65,000 65,000 hi again kum thum sorry third year पैसा mang chu 65 ania 65,000 interest kan chu tang ti khan in se tiam vek mo thumbs up le teu dang te sang sok to ni sang se dim em repeat anga em le ta hen interest chu en zang ya ta hen kan se ka ngo e 9750 in du chon mo in siam lo mai thei po lo hi chu mo a compulsory ni lo ni in se thiam dan in ti me don ya chon 3250 ti khan interest kan pe atro helai hi a ti la hi b ti la hi c ti la chon d amount paid helai hi kan ziak thale amount paid chu nge nyang kan che tur chu a loan amount plus interest kan pay ka nga tro loan amount da kan interest kan pay ka nga tro so first year in zang kan pe chwa ka loan amount he hi nia 1 lakh 65,000 plus kan pay tur chu interest ani em 65,000 plus 9750 chu 74,750 ania tro kan pay tur 74,750 he hi en ting e chok le e2 b plus c chon d hi en ting e chok a minus b opening atong installment kan minus he hi chok atro then this is the closing balance opening balance ani lenga he kan minus le he chok he opening ani lenga he kan minus to pa balance om to lo interest kan chu dan interest to atro chon amount paid partner paisa kan pay tu chu za installment loan amount plus interest ani atro he in edang in belang he interest mem helai hi zona mem second year paisa kan pay tu chu 71,500 third year paisa kan pay tu chu 68250 dikhana zau working chu journal entry pass ani me interest mem helai hi repeat anga em copy ro window chon repeat to ro mem voi le khata chon in thiam don lo mo question hi voi le khata thiam chin lo last year exam a chok to hi in the tur chu exam a chok to hi avai na chok lo mo revaluation like ha anti chok lo wa partner paisa pek tur ka an thilani hi an thila chon a is to be paid 622,825 out of which 71,825 is paid in cash and the balance in three equal installments a last line che hi helai che hi anti chok exam a helai hi journal entries belang man tilaw mo revaluation information eng man tilawa exam a chok dan chu he lai che hi anti chok 6 marks in anti chok in kashia 6 if I'm not wrong 6 or 8 lai hi chok to chok le thei ni chok to wa zir lo tu ni lo zir vek tu tro in fe dem vek em lai hi thumbs up tu le lai hi sudan hi loan account siam kan langai ai entry pass bok nen in se thiam tu la ngai question dang chu kan solve man to kan chu sia min po question he question che he kan solve tuition a le as loan account kan sia mangai question min chil chu prepare as loan until it is finally closed atia tro he amount ania a date particulars amount date particulars amount date particulars amount le in ring em loan account is a dash account loan account is a chu katika account kan siam shim hian mo kan thlet tur chu eng account nge oh loan account is a liability account tro liability account will always have credit balance je chu kan liability apun chuan credit side kan danga kan liability an hiam chuan debit side kan dang tro le loan account na balance som em balance sheet an teu all balance sheet a eng ma e loan account ti balance som lo tro mà sẽ balance thar kan nei ni khoi change kan transfer hi balance thar kan nei chu hei is capital atang transfer aniam helai hian tu or helai hin an thei oh is capital atang loan account na 1,95,000 kan transfer atro balance om to em yes om to okay 1,95,000 le debit nge credit side kan ja ka credit side atro by is capital account 1,95,000 tro date chu ingen yang retirement date chu 1/7/2014 le easy to hard to lo helai change introduce em thumbs up teu repeat angai chon repeat ti zek ro helai change problem em problem om chuan yes problem lo chuan n in the top the bok oh credit side ka ziak na chan chu loan is a liability tro kan liability business tan ngai to ro eng ma ba chu a capital account hi liability ania tro a capital paisa kan pek tur kha loan account na kan transfer to ni s capital account kan close to a paisa pek tur kha loan account na kan transfer tro business tan loan hi liability aniam yes liability thar ania tro liability ani chon credit balance ania nga account na credit side kan ziak ang 1,95,000 le kumthum kanena tro 3 years a pe chok ngai kan tia first second le third and the kumto pa every year interest kan chu ta ngai tro interest kan calculate to bokani every year interest kan chu to tro enjang interest for first year 9750 anya second year chu 6500 third year chu 3250 he interest pay to khania tro and the loan amo or he inen thebo loan a interest loan hi interest nen kan ru langa tro aniam interest kan pek tur hi interest kan pek tur hi loan account na kan transfer ang tinge kan ti chon mo hi father ania oh loan hi father ania tro pa ania interest tu en yang afa pa aniang afa pa em mo afa nu aniang tro loan account hi father ania pa or nu interest will be son or daughter inti mem pa hi loan account na kan da chon hi father ania tro loan account na kan da chon afa pa hi khoi kan dang loan account na kan da bokang in khata no mau one house no mau inti mem pa hi if he stays in this house son or daughter will also stay in this house inti mem loan account hi loan balance hi loan account na kan transfer chon a interest ko loan account na kan transfer out inti mem tikan loan account chu in kan pe chu account ente wo 1,95,000 hi liability ani atro kan pek tur interest kan pek angai bo katro business tan interest kan pek tur hi liability tharanian han ngai to chin teo business in interest pek tur hi liability tharaniam extra paisa kan pek angai atro business
Yes,
tan
sir.
liability tharaniam yes or no why or no
Yes, sir.
yes ani atro business tan chuan liability ania business tan chuan liability loan amount extra interest kan pek angai chuan business tan chuan liability thar ania tro loan account na debit nge credit side akan daang. Liability tharin chuan liability apung chuan credit side akan daanga. Into the by interest kan tiang. Ezang first year interest 9750 9750. Concept 2, interest will always be calculated at the end of the year. True. 30th, 6, 15. Entry 1995 pe kaya, so first year interest puri 1975. Tikan liability apung to em. Kan liability apung to tro. Hey, kan rules swak to. First year amount pay to he kan pay swak to don ani. First year apo isa pay to he anza kan sut kha 74750. Hey, first year apo isa kan pay to niya. Hey, second year niya. Hey, third year. Into the mem. Into the mem. Hey, and thing it's work le. Loan amount to he niya tro. Plus interest kan sut ang ay boka tro. Interest pay kang ay boka. Tikan he niya. Oh, le. Entry, interest entry he kan pass potang. Oh, interest entry he can pass potang journal entry. Entry number 6. Le. Entry number 6 to yan yang. Interest account debited to is loan account. And the interest amount 9750. 3650 na anyang hicho. Into the interest he. Interest into the Arnge a 9750. Being interest on R's loan due. Being interest on is loan due into the entry he into the Yes or no? Hey, interest loan account akan transfer through. And liability apung em. Liability will always have credit balance to so. Liability will have credit balance kan through. Liability will have credit balance. Say loan account kan tipung to em. Liability apung chuan kan credit anga through. Interest in kan credit to em. Chuan first year paisa kan pechok to don ni chu. 36 2015. Loan kan rule to do na attend first year amount pay to kan rule to do na tro kan liability an hiam to ngem yes loan account an hiam to nga liability account an hiam chon kan debit angai first year an za kan pay ngai kha hey kan shoot so to tro 74750 74750 2 inga kan tiang bank kan tiang bank hi asset nya asset value an hiam chon kan credit entry helai entry hi entry 6 less 7 into he into the yes or no? So ito. Abak to ay nang reg. 6 less 7 into the second year, third year po ay nang reg. Zona mem, zona ino nation audio in zot theo. Zero. Kaman mo to don. Ang laro ito. Tingin suwag supa. Sanga he tingin. Into the Helai he into the zero. Okay. Into the tak mo. Le. Entry kan pass to draw. Hey, loan account akan transfer to tro loan account business liability an hiam to na first year liability kan pechok to tro debit side akan dang to bank enzaya paisa first year akan back to 74750 hey anting chok ha installment amount 65000 plus first year interest 9750 to 74750 date kan zia kan 3615 tikan first year paisa back to kha as auto. So we will have to balance CD. First year closing balance of liability account is how much? Helahin belanga, hehin minus ang 130 anyang. 130. Tro. Hehi closing balance ani John next year opening anyang tro. By balance BD2 130,000. 3615. Tro. This will be 10715. Oh, second letter entry point ang Tony. Oh, second letter year point ang betong. Entry number 8 to interest. Interest treatment kan tipo tanga tro. Interest yan liability at tipo nga tro. Interest account kan debit nga to inge is loan account. Loan account na po nga tro. Loan account is a liability account. Liability apun son kan credit ang ayang. Second year interest is 6500. Ito di ma'am. Tahan transfer le tayo. Second year, kung to pa interest kan suta nga ya, 3616 kan tiya nga by interest. Hey, credit side kan siya lang, liability pun chon, credit side kan siya lang, 6500. Chon, kan po isa pektur hin sa nga second year. Kan po isa pektur, kan na nga, a liability at inyam to don nitro, po isa kan pektur chon, debit side kan siya kang. Interest diya mem, sa nga po isa pektur kan suto ka. Hey, 71,500. Or in duchuan, in titecho, installment 65,000 anya, sa kumtin kan pek nga chon he interest in belanga 71,500. Oh, chon balance kan niya nga tahan to balance CD to 65,000 anyang. Tikan second year kan close atro. Third year balance in zangan yang 65,000. Oh, chon entry number 8 kan tito 9 le. Third year la interest to zangan yang. What will be the entry? Interest account debited again S loan account na kan transfer nga liability apong atro interest amount to 3250. Son entry number 10 to S loan account debited to bank. Insaya kan pay nga third year 68250. Hey tahan kan suit to by date to zero to mero interest 3250 1716 3617 3617 to bank paisa pe nga jo 68250. Tikhan account kan close. Insa tiya may ahar mi lo nyo a rule kan follow chon mo a lutuk interest yan kan liability at ipu matro credit side kan daw. Hey, kumtin interest ka credit side kan da nga. Insa tiya may entry chu ingen yang interest yan loan account interest loan account akan transfer tro interest yan kan liability at ipung chuan yes loan account kan credit ya interest kan debit interest kan debit na san hinge interest is a nominal account item mo expense ani atro nominal account item interest on loan is a finance expense it's a nominal account item nominal account rule hinge debit all expenses or losses expense ani finance expense interest expense ani atro kan debit ang hindi naman he Allah complete lang ni chujan na entry interest profit and loss account akan transfer le ngai chin mase thinking ro khachu further study sa injirang le chon enro interest kan peto otro interest kan transfer to kan liability kan tipung to chon first year paisa kan pek tur hi jang 65,000 hi kumtin kan pe ngatro interest bel tai la first year interest 74750 aniang mo debit sa kan siya na chan chuing entry enro loan account hi 74750 in a claim to ang atro asan to liability kan rule to rule is whenever the liability reduces you debit the liability account chon bank hi cash asset account niya asset an hiam chon kan credit ang atro hey yes loan account kan debit tro debit side kan siya account chon balance niya nga hey opening balance niya nga interest inen liya nga paisa pek tu inen liya nga closing balance hey opening ani liya nga tro interest inen liya nga chon banking in rules so kang tikhan all to practice so 2 times at least practice ula interest hiam meng okay or next class kan ti thale don ya hela hi interest hiam no chon practice phatula zonai name
sa calculation of
ah
A is loan ang may kailangan mo
hindi mo ti
advice yan eh. Calculation of
oh
A loan kasi, minsan na may
oh
calculation of A loan siyang ka. A B C
oh
D ipek le kami telo kana siam dek na web at pi
hei
adunga
mo
mi ka cornerstone na mi ka o so mi
hei mo
A B C D ipek ka siam A B C D ka
hei
at kami chung siam mi zo ka e o kami na ikai zo ka ni ikai ka siam kami telo kana siam na web
hei chu sa thiam nan ka siam ni ko talom
eh siam ka ka ko
helai
telo
hi
kana
mo helai hi anting in ti
oh
thei kan na ngo year 1 year 2 year 3 anya tro kan che chu kumtin 65,000 kan pe chuak nga ya tro 1,95,000 ti khan kan rule chuak nga aniam chon 95,000 che ni lawin 95,000 a interest kan pe ngai bokani oh chon interest chu outstanding balance a kan pe thrin ani partner poisa enjai kan mang kan na nga interest kan chu thrin atro first year a 65,000 kan pe chuak to chon first year a chon enjai niang 1,95,000 a interest kan chu tanga yang atro 1,95,000 a 5% kan pe interest kan chu tanga 9,750 hei interest chu niang atro first year topa 65,000 kan pe chuak chuan entire balance kan nei 1,95,000 minus 65,000 chu 1,30,000 ania second year interest tu chu 1,30,000 a kan chu tang chuan third year a oh sorry second year interest tu ri 1,30,000 a kan chu tanga chuan a topa kum topa 65,000 kan pe chuak to chuan entire balance 65,000 balance ania tro third year a chuan 65,000 a 5% kan chu tang tikhan CDMM chon bank hi chu hei bank hi chu alu tu paisa hi pek tu chu oh installment plus interest paisa kan pek tu chu 7475 71500 68250 CDMM Rebecca zonai nem voi le khata chon mo in thiam don lo ka sia in practice one voi ni voi thum tal chu in practice anga hei test na chok pe chon in this wall me theni oh zona in chon in zo thei neo chon ka close sang chok ka ngai tlata in bot se te nga ya 35 vel chu kan man to lo kan la re me le midang zona in em zona mem yes or no interest loan entry miss out lo mem le zona mem zona in lo chon kan close lo class in hok pui chu ka ringa ka base ya ma se 100% ni lo kon 50% chu in thiam ka ringa chon tikhan tiula zona in jo next class a offline a kan discuss thale me don nya oh le kan close ang tikhan